take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Now you're going to see some SS badging on this one. Is a tribute, not representing this as a true SS. Underneath the hood, 454 big block. I know you see the 427 on the fender there. It is 454 powered. Nice setup underneath there with power steering, power brakes, AC, serpentine belt system. We'll get around to opening up the hood, firing it up, letting you hear it run. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Vision chrome wheels. Paint on this car does show well. This is originally a Matador red car with black buckets, so still very similar to the way it would have came back in 1968. Up front, you can see disc brakes, drilled rotors. Still a bucket seat setup, but more modern seats, and they're kind of a suede vinyl leather blend. We'll take a little closer look when we get around to the driver's side. You can see 4-speed manual transmission paired up with that big block underneath the hood. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. To take a peek at the trunk, also finished off nicely underneath here. Peek up and down passenger side from the rear to the front. Look at the chrome taillight surrounds. When we fire this up and let you hear it run, this fits better too. Oh, by the way, I don't have it all the way down. When I start it up, you're going to hear nice sounding exhaust, and it also has a remote cutout that you can open up and close, FYI. And once again, you can see the underside of this. You want to take a look at that exhaust system. It does have headers on it. Take a look at the underside pics. Over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. And it is matching seats, front and rear, FYI. Like I said, it's kind of suede insert. It's right here. You can see the nap of the fabric change a little bit. Door panels, carpeting, seats, all nice shape. Have had the wipers working in the car. As far as the radio, got it to power up, not getting any sound out of it, FYI. And there is a little CD, remote custom auto sound CD player right there. All right, let's fire this up. As you can see, TAC is working here. And you have a gauge cluster, center console. Let this warm up just a tad. Was a cold start. Headliner's also good in the car. Alright, now I mentioned those cutouts, and I have a remote here. Took it off the keychain, but this will go with it. And it's basically open and close those cutouts. So if you want to hear what it sounds like, that's with them open. And you can close them back up. So you want to turn some heads at a car show or roll in, what have you. That is how that works. Alright, I'm going to slip up here to the front. I want to show you this engine bay because it is a nice setup underneath there. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the hood open. We'll check it out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Now, first off, when you open the hood, be ready for it because it's not like your typical older hood. You have rams down here. And a hinge set up that the hood will automatically come open once you hit the release. There's that serpentine belt set up. A lot of polished in here. Nice looking engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, aluminum radiator, headers, 454. High-rise intake. And it sounds good. There you go. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS Tribute. Big block under the hood, 454, 4-speed manual transmission. Good looking car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.